Anaya here, and I am back with another video. Today I was on 34th Street in New York City. I saw that they have a Riley Rose store. If you don't know what that is, I usually see them on Instagram, online, or like just, you know, from their website. So I was really surprised to see their store like sitting there. At first I didn't recognize it. I went inside. I only had a couple of minutes, so I could only like grab one thing really quickly, and I got these lashes that I'm wearing. They're from Lashpop.com. I'll show you in some clips I filmed before this that it came in like a little lollipop type of container. It was so cute. Yeah, so I went in there and I wanted to see, I needed some new lashes, so that's what I went in there for, but I also wanted to see what they had, and all of their prices look pretty good. I'm excited to go back. I want to do like a haul video, so maybe you guys should subscribe to my channel if you're new so you can see that eventually. Let's get into this video. So far, I love these lashes. They are super thick and easy to put on. They look at the way it makes my eye just like, I love these look at that. That is nice. So overall, I would say that I love these lashes. They are big and bold, but they're not like overpowering me. I don't feel like I have like these huge things on my eyes, and they're very thick lashes and they feel really light, which I'm surprised about. So yeah, it's so loud. I really just got into lashes, and I'm really excited to explore lashes because I'm so done with packing on mascara. I've been doing that for years and it's such a big waste of time. So I'm so happy that I discovered a lash. So yeah, stay tuned for more videos on my channel. I try to post as much as I can. Yeah, have a great day, guys. He's just like blowing nothing. There's literally nothing. It's summer. There's no leaves. There's nothing. He didn't even cut the grass. I don't know what he's doing. See you guys.